The Ford Ranger Raptor Hybrid 2025 is coming. It combines eco-friendly technology with Raptor off-road power. This hybrid beast threatens to redefine high-performance truck manufacturing with its frightening looks and cutting-edge engine. Powerful and contoured, the body controls the road. The new Raptor hood with engine cooling vent offers car powerful look. Wide all-terrain tires fit on the truck's flared flanks with vents. A redesigned bumper with tow hooks and LED light bars illuminate the road ahead, making the roof rack more usable. With next-generation Fox shock absorbers and an external reservoir system, Ford's Raptor Hybrid allows quick off-road modifications. Durable skid plates protect key sections, and the Raptor Hybrid's increased ground clearance lets it cross obstacles. Functional side steps with a wider base make getting into and out of the truck in tough terrain easier. Engine innovation in the 2025 Ranger Raptor Hybrid. Despite Ford's silence, reports include a powerful twin-turbocharged EcoBoost gas engine and electric drive. Excellent performance and gas mileage from this hybrid setup. It is expected to have more horsepower than the prior Raptor and drive short distances on electric power for noiseless, pollution-free operation. With the hybrid powertrain, the clever all-wheel drive system improves off-road control and traction. Drive modes, including a new e-terrain mode for electric off-roading, can vary the truck's performance for any travel. When a car slows or descends, regenerative braking charges the battery and boosts range. Business people expect the 2025 Ranger Raptor Hybrid to cost more than the gasoline-powered counterpart. A terrific choice for thrill-seekers who care about the environment. It saves a lot of gas and combines speed and eco-friendliness. Arrivals will begin in early 2025 after the public reveal later this year. Electric off-road vehicles are coming, so hold on.